What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you 5 tips and tricks that you probably did not know exist on your iPhone. Let's start. The first one has to do with taking screenshot. So we all take the screenshot, but did you know that if you take screenshot, tab and hold the preview, you actually get the share sheet. From here you can easily send it as message, you can send it in email, or you can airdrop it really quickly, because most of the time when you are taking a screenshot, the main reason for taking the screenshot is to either send it to somebody or to post it somewhere. So just a very handy trick here. The next trick is search and close specific tab on Safari. So if we go into our tabs, you notice that there is actually a search tab right here, and if you have lot of tab open all the time like I do, this can be really handy for finding a tab of whatever website you are looking for. Inside of all of those different pages, you have just go and search for GSM. I have searched GSM, and there are two tabs that matches the query for GSM. And if we tab and hold on the cancel button here in the top right, you will see that I can close all two tabs of GSM. So that is really handy. Not only you can search what tabs you have open with a certain keywords, but you can also tab and hold the cancel button to close all of those tabs matching the query. The next trick is to make speaker louder. This trick is one that's going to be really awesome for those of you who listen your audio loud on your outward facing speakers on your iPhone. And this is going to be a way to make your speakers louder. Go to settings, scroll down to music, tab on music, tab on EQ, and the one that make your speaker louder is called late night. It is definitely louder when you have the EQ set to late night. The next trick is folder notification. If you guys have lot of folders, you always see the notification badge up there that show you have notification, but you don't want to sit there and scroll through all of the folders or all of application inside the folder to see which application have the notification. You could simply 3D touch on the folder. You will get the application with notification showing right there. You can simply tap on it and will open the application. So that is a very handy tip for those of you who use a lot of folder on your device. The next trick is to move multiple apps. If you want to move multiple apps, just click and hold the app you want to move. Edit home screen and tap on the apps you want to move like this, and there you go.